Just put the chicken in and watch it smoke, okay? Everything's going good to the bottom. Temperature is going good. You see? Smoking. There you go. Temperature is really good. This is awesome. Check this out. Check it out. Okay, look at here. Christmas Day. Look at that chicken, man. Ooh, look at the neck. I don't eat the neck, but the wifey them, they eat the neck. Everything is coming along real well. Real well. Okay? Beautiful. Shut it. Okay. Real good. She's awesome. Okay. The bird is awesome. The bird is awesome. Can't wait to sink into it. Okay. Can't wait to sink into that bird. Could you say super? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Can't wait to sink my teeth into that one. Our chicken is carrying on right now. Ooh, she's nice and juicy too. Oh, check it out. Look at her. She's beautiful. Nice and smoke. Beautiful.
That's
beautifully done. Beautifully done. Look at her. She's all the way done. I had to flip it over. Look at her. Ooh. She's sweet. Nicely smoked. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thumbs up on that one. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.